Hello friends, in this short and basic video, I gonna to show you how to type second. So to type second like this, type here 2ND and only select ND. Don't select 2, just only select N and D and right click on ND and here guys you will see superscript selected. So this is the first method. Another method, insert equation and script and superscript. In first box type 2 and here type ND. And guys, if you see italic, so select it and remove italic, bold, and you can make all changes using these features. So thanks for watching.